I just ran into Andy.
And David J.
And Dave.
Polgreen.
Hold on, Andy. Let's walk over here and critique some bikes real quick. Let's so what do we?
This is like a really classic representation of steampunk. It's actually Steampunk Dave's bike.
That's what he's going by these days?
Yeah. Shut up.
Steampunk Dave. Man, is this, oh, this is MGO? That's cool. I like that. It's got, oh yeah.
Yeah, the green eyes are how you know it's the MGO and not the actual real one.
I thought so, yeah.
So, yeah, it's not the official.
Is this lowbrow?
Yeah, lowbrow tank.
Who makes that? And
lowbrow tank. I think these are repop grips. Yeah.
Alboy. You got the Alboy lead pedal down here. That's.
Yep.
I like it. I like the way you were able to take these new parts and really make them look
kind of patina them down and get it.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's
my very best.
It's not everybody can pull that off, Dave. And honestly, I think that you're kind of the master at this, Dave. I mean,
if you're going steampunk, maybe a little more brass, gears,
a little more copper.
But next time, maybe you'll get it.
I mean, yeah, why not, dude? I mean, like, and this is an Evo, right, with knuckle covers? Is that what that is?
Yeah, they're called exotic.
Oh, exotic.
Covers.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Where can one find exotics these days?
I think only on eBay. You can't get it from Kiryakin anymore.
Kiryakin doesn't sell those? Yeah. All right. Well.
All right, we're getting yelled at.
Get the hell out of here.
He originally got this from Tim, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Didn't Tim sell you this for like $4,500?
Oh yeah, you got it.
That's what I thought. Okay.
Fuck off.
I'll see you guys
Later.